The start to the morning is changing this tyre. So now we've got a spare on. Is that one sorted? I'll pump this one up, see if I can find the leak and repair it. So what I've done here is I've run a bit of soapy water around the tread, as we can see, right there. I've got some dirty little stick causing this tyre some problems. Take a look at that dirty dog. So for any of those who don't know, you get one of these at a hardware store. Just take one of these sticky little dogs. You can use a glue with them. I've found that you don't have to. Push that through there, about halfway. Find your hole there. After giving it a clean, should mention that, we'll push that in about halfway. Give it a twist and yank that back out. Should have mentioned that there's another attachment you clean the hole out with first. You put that in there, just clean it all out as much as you can, and then that plug will get cut off. Just cut it off with a Stanley knife, and hopefully that's enough. I'm not sure with that hole if it will be, but we'll find out when I pump it up, and if it's flat at lunchtime I'll know it's not working. I must say, I don't think I'm particularly liking this area. The Nyangumarta highway, Old Kidson Track, Wappet Road, whatever you want to call it. And they said, near impassable sections, staked tyre, camping spot that I diverted 15 k's for that doesn't exist. But I'm sure there's a reason I'm here. I'm sure there's a reason I'm here.